Hey there, content creators. If you're looking to elevate your content marketing strategy, you're in the right place. Today I'm sharing pro tips on how to discover trending topics that'll drive traffic and engagement. First up, Google Trends. It's a goldmine for identifying what people are searching for right now. Simply type in your niche keywords and boom, instant insights on trending searches. Plus, you can compare different terms to see which ones are gaining traction. Next, head over to social media platforms. Twitter, Instagram, and LinkedIn are your best friends here. Check out trending hashtags, popular posts, and what's getting the most engagement. Don't just look at the numbers. Pay attention to the conversations happening around these topics. Another hot tip? Use content discovery tools like BuzzSumo. Just enter a keyword or topic, and you'll see the most shared content across social media. This can give you a clear idea of what resonates with audiences. Don't forget about industry forums and communities like Reddit and Quora. These platforms are treasure troves of real, unfiltered questions and discussions. See what problems people are facing and what they're curious about. This can spark some fantastic content ideas. And hey, why not take a peek at your competitors? Tools like SEMrush and Ahrefs can show you what keywords they're ranking for and what content is driving their traffic. Use this intel to find gaps and opportunities in your own strategy. Lastly, always keep an eye on your own analytics. What content has performed well in the past? What questions do your audience frequently ask? Your existing data is a powerful guide to what's trending within your own community. So there you have it. With these methods, you'll never run out of trending topics to fuel your content marketing strategy. Remember, the key is to stay curious and always be on the lookout for what's new and exciting. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips. Keep creating awesome content, and I'll see you in the next video.